Hi, I'm Ruth, and today I'm going to present you our new cabinet series, Indus. Next to me, I have the floor standing cabinet with 1000 kilos of static load. There, we have two examples of wall cabinet with 100 kilos of static load. This is IP55 for indoor usage. We thought about this series for industry, so that's why we choose the gray color.
With this swing handle lock with 2-point locking system, you have it on front and rear door.
You can use the passive ventilation, as the cold air enters from the bottom and the hot air goes out from the top. These are only examples. We can manufacture other measures. You only need to say what you need. So don't forget to visit our website and follow us in our social media.